Hi guys, welcome back, and today we are going to be playing Five Nights at Freddy's TD. So yeah, playing Five Nights at TD. We're only going to do Puppet's Nightmare. Bless me. Bless me. So yeah, we're only going to be using Puppet's Nightmare unit. So I have got a Bounty Mangle, Boombox Foxy, Circus Baby, Phone Guy, and a Red Freddy. So come on, Elliot, let's go play a match. Oh, I walk so slow. So yeah, I'll see you when we're in the game. So we are going to do game 394, aren't we, Elliot?
Yeah.
This is the one that I'm on. Himalaya, 1, 2, 3, Himalaya. Then after, shall we try endless?
Yeah.
Which one, endless 4?
Yeah.
I've already placed down one. Oh, I placed down my Bounty Mangle. Can you place down your Hydra yet?
No, I cannot.
Okay.
I need 2,000 more.
Ah! Should I place my Red Freddy's?
Yes.
How much damage did it do? Himalaya. Don't mind the voice in the background, if you can hear it. Himalaya. Sorry if I'm singing this song a lot, it's actually stuck in my head. Because Elliot was watching a video earlier with that song, weren't you?
Yeah, I was.
Boss is going to come out in a second, isn't it?
Yep.
So I'm legit just placing everything down here. He is the boss. Scavenge Friday. Right, so do you want to go play Endless?
Yeah.
Meet you when we're in Endless. So we are in the elevator. I'll see you when we're, in. By the way, Elliot's not doing Puppet's Nightmare because he don't really have Puppet's Nightmare units, but he has got a Vengeance unit, so that's good. Alright, so just to let you guys know. So, we're in. Watch these just absolutely on my head.
Yeah, I know. By the end of this, we might make it to wave 100. What? Might we?
Yep, we might. So, guys, back to max upgrade my second one. Aren't I, Elliot?
Yes, little M.
See you when we're at the first boss. The boss is there. Guys, Bonnie. And I'll best I get rid of him and make it slow down here. There we go. So I just got 350 coins and 3 souls. What did you get, Elliot? Did you get a present?
No, I did not. Little M.
Okay. See you at wave 20 boss, I guess. So Elliot wanted to tell you all that he has got a vengeance unit. It's Tavern Chica. Because it took him quite a while because he rolled a vengeance, didn't you?
Yeah.
Well, actually, it didn't really take that long. He rolled vengeance on the first 2 souls.
Yeah,
I know, crazy. So yeah, see you at wave 20. So we are at wave 20 boss. So the boss had just died. And yeah, see you at wave 30 boss. So we are at wave 30 boss. Dead Man Foxy got 300,000 health. Quite easy to kill, to be honest. I don't know where Elliot's gone. Oh, Elliot is over here. Aren't you, Elliot? So yeah, wave 40 boss. So the wave 40 boss is going to come in a second. Into Elliot.
Yes, and little M.
In it.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, should not like, subscribe, comment, and yeah, we're not done yet. I'm just telling you. Oh yeah, this is tell Medicine if you can that he inspired me, and maybe me, Elliot, and Medicine might be able to be in a video all together, won't we?
Yeah.
Meet Medicine, maybe Dre or Medicine.
Maybe Benny blocks.
Benny blocks, yeah. Quill.
Dino.
Yeah. ML random. Right, so yeah, we're 50 boss. We're waiting every night to finally roll many times. Too many years we've been all alone. We're forced to hear and lick my poo. We're 50 boss, 602 health. Well, 1,000 health. Not really that much, is it, Elliot? I'm gonna put auto skipper on. Kinda need it.
Should I have little M?
Sure. I'm very tired. First things first, I'ma say all the world inside my head. I'm a fired up, tired up the way you think you've been. Elliot. Mr. Whitey Wonder, what's your any bitch? I'm drowning in the water at the party. Oh, right, yeah. So yeah, wave 60 boss. Peace. So wave 60 boss. Yeah, guys, you can see my face because I finally figured out how to. So yeah. So I thought I deleted it then. Racial what you want, what you want, no, I don't have a party who can get in the fun, and I feel that I wish I like songs around it, but the picture around it. Think I'm gonna get to wave 100, Elliot?
Yep.
So heavy, you'd be like I'm holding up a mountain everywhere. I like always isolation. I'm drowning. I'm drowning. I'm drowning. Whoa. My dang. Get back, Shaq Rock. Guys, I've noticed something. That Teddy's a bit scary, see? Gerald! No. So, guys, that's Elliot. Say hi, Elliot.
Hi.
Got his bunny again, in it? In it, Elliot?
Yeah.
That Teddy's actually right scary. Gerald, like, man, what are you doing? Oh, I'm going to turn our skipper off. Did you turn it off? I used to die on this bit all the time. Now I don't. Oh, we actually survived. So yeah, wave 80. On, scammer get scammed. Oh, Hydro Mango, what are you doing there? I think he's having a bit of fun with Tava Chica. You can't. Oh, 1.25 million.
Popcorn.
Pumpkin. Elliot. She's so heavy, you feel like I'm holding up a mountain everywhere that I go. So like... Daniel Beck just added me back on Snapchat. What's today, boss?
Can I say it this time?
Today, boss. Guys, look. Ellie's on there, I think. I'm gonna see you at wave 90.
We're nearly there on wave 19, aren't we?
On wave 90, yeah.
See ya. Peace.
So Elliot wants a side name called Jacko. Just like Jacko Bunny, innit?
Yeah.